This just happens to be the Craftsman Reciprocating saw is what they're calling it. It has a safety lock here. It is compatible with all your standard Sawzall blades. That's the traditional name for these, a Sawzall. It does have the V20 battery packs. You can do the 2 amp, the 4 amp hour, all the way up. It's incredibly lightweight, super easy to carry around tool. So yeah, very lightweight, very quiet. And you can see it's got an adjustable speed. It can go super slow or very fast. So it has that ability to adjust down, up and down. We're going to make one cut with this down here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it with the reciprocating saw just to show you how easily this cuts. So again, line up. You have that adjustable speed, so you can go very slowly if you wanted and just, you know, make a mark there where it's going to go, or you can go faster. It does have an adjustable arm here, so if you're you know, against something, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Now, normally this tool would be used for demolition. And not fine cutting. But there we go. So side 2, we've used the second of 2 saws here. So we use